Ever wondered how to add a chatbot to your WordPress website? Today, you'll learn how to do it step by step. In the age of instant gratification, chatbots have become an essential tool for businesses. They provide immediate customer support, answer queries around the clock, and can even help with lead generation. But before you can reap the benefits, you need to choose the right platform. There's a wide array of chatbot platforms out there, with popular options including Chatfuel, ManyChat, and Botsify. Each offers unique features and integrations, so it's crucial to do your research and select the one that best fits your needs and budget. Consider factors such as ease of use, customization options, and the type of support the platform offers. Once you've selected a platform that suits your needs, it's time to sign up and create your chatbot. Next, sign up for an account on your chosen platform and start creating your chatbot. The sign-up process is usually straightforward. You'll need to enter basic information such as your name, email address, and a password. After confirming your account, it's time to get creative. Begin by naming your chatbot. This could be something fun and catchy, or simply the name of your company. You'll then be prompted to choose a template or design for your chatbot. This can often be customized later, so don't worry if you're not entirely sure at this stage. You'll also need to provide some information about your business. This might include the products or services you offer, your opening hours, and your contact details. With your chatbot created, it's time to customize it to suit your brand. Now, let's dive into customizing your chatbot. This is where you can really make your chatbot shine and provide a unique experience for your users. You can personalize your chatbot's greetings and responses to give it a distinct voice that aligns with your brand. For example, if your brand is friendly and casual, you might choose a warm, conversational tone for your chatbot. If your brand is more corporate, you might opt for a more formal, professional tone. You can also add a touch of fun to your chatbot by including images or GIFs in its responses. This can make the interaction more engaging and enjoyable for your users, potentially increasing their satisfaction and loyalty. Remember, the key here is to create a chatbot that reflects your brand and resonates with your audience. Once you've customized your chatbot, the next step is to integrate it with your WordPress website. Integrating your chatbot with WordPress is a straightforward process. As we've mentioned, most chatbot platforms offer plugins or integration options specifically designed for WordPress. This makes the integration process simpler and more streamlined. To begin with, you'll need to install the Chatbot plugin. This is done directly from your WordPress dashboard. Simply navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. From there, you'll search for the Chatbot plugin associated with your chosen platform. If you're using Chatfuel, for example, you'll search for the Chatfuel plugin. Once you've found the right plugin, go ahead and click Install. But don't rush off just yet. Installing the plugin is just the first step. To make the chatbot active on your site, you'll need to activate the plugin. This is done with a simple click of a button. Once activated, the plugin will be enabled on your site, but it won't be functioning just yet. The next crucial step is to connect the plugin to your chatbot account. This is usually done by entering your account credentials or an API key. The exact method will depend on the chatbot platform you've chosen, so be sure to follow the specific instructions provided. Once the plugin is connected to your chatbot account, it's time to configure the settings. This is where you can really start to customize the chatbot experience for your website visitors. You can select where the chatbot appears on your site, define its behavior, and enable any advanced features you wish to use. Remember, the goal is to create a seamless and engaging experience for your users. So take your time with these settings and don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best for your site. With the chatbot integrated, it's time to install and activate the plugin on your WordPress site. The next step will be to connect your chatbot account and configure your settings, but we'll cover that in the next scene. For now, well done on integrating your chatbot with WordPress. Installing and activating the plugin is a simple process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate your way to the Plugins section. This is typically located on the left-hand sidebar. Now look for the Add New button at the top of the page and give it a click. This will open up a new page where you can search for the Chatbot plugin you've chosen. It's as simple as typing the name of the plugin into the search bar and hitting Enter. Once your plugin pops up, click on the Install Now button next to it. WordPress will now do its magic and install the plugin for you. But we're not quite done yet. After the installation is complete, you'll need to activate the plugin. just click on the Activate button and your plugin will be ready to go. After activating the plugin, the next step is to connect it to your Chatbot account. Now, connect the Chatbot plugin to your Chatbot account. This is a crucial step that bridges your Chatbot platform with your WordPress site, enabling seamless interaction. The process is quite straightforward. Once you've activated your Chatbot plugin in WordPress, it's time to link it up. You'll usually find a settings or configuration option within the plugin itself. Here, you'll need to enter your Chatbot account credentials. This could be a simple username and password combination, or it might be an API key. The API key is a unique identifier that connects your Chatbot platform to WordPress. This information is typically provided when you create your Chatbot account. Be sure to enter this information carefully to avoid any connectivity issues. With the plugin connected, you can now configure its settings, but we'll get into that in the next scene. Stay tuned. Configuring the Chatbot settings will help it function smoothly on your site. With the plugin activated and your Chatbot account connected, you're now ready to fine-tune the settings. This is where you can dictate the Chatbot's behavior and choose the best location for it on your website. Most Chatbot plugins for WordPress offer a variety of customization options. For instance, you can decide whether your Chatbot pops up instantly when a visitor lands on your site, or only when they click a specific button. You can also set the Chatbot to appear on all pages or only on selected ones. Additionally, you can often determine the delay before the Chatbot greets a visitor and customize the greeting message itself. Some plugins even allow you to set operating hours for the Chatbot, which can be particularly handy if you're using a mix of automated and human responses. Now that the settings are configured, it's time to test your Chatbot. Before going live, always make sure to test your Chatbot. Much like any other interactive feature on your website, your Chatbot needs to be tested thoroughly to ensure it's functioning as expected. This is a crucial step in the process, as it will allow you to identify any potential issues and make necessary adjustments before your Chatbot interacts with real users. To test your Chatbot, simulate different scenarios and interactions that a user might encounter. This could include asking questions, seeking information, or making requests. Make sure your Chatbot can handle these interactions smoothly and provide accurate responses. Remember, the goal is to enhance your user's experience, not frustrate them with a Chatbot that doesn't work properly. Consider testing your Chatbot during different times of the day and on different devices. This will help you verify its responsiveness and effectiveness across various conditions. If your Chatbot is designed to handle a high volume of queries, consider doing stress tests to ensure it can manage the load without compromising performance. Remember, no Chatbot is perfect, and there's always room for improvement. Use this testing phase to refine your Chatbot's responses, improve its understanding of user queries, and optimize its overall performance. User feedback can also be invaluable in this regard, so consider incorporating a feedback mechanism into your Chatbot to gather insights directly from users. Once you're confident that your Chatbot is ready, it's time to deploy it on your WordPress website. Most Chatbot platforms offer easy deployment options. Simply follow the instructions provided by your chosen platform to make your Chatbot live. After deployment, continue to monitor your Chatbot's performance and make adjustments as needed. Remember, your Chatbot is an extension of your brand and should offer a seamless and engaging user experience. Once you're satisfied with your Chatbot's performance, you can deploy it on your WordPress website. And there you have it. Your Chatbot is now ready to interact with your website visitors, offering them instant support and enhancing their experience on your site. Congratulations on taking your WordPress website to the next level. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've chosen your Chatbot platform, signed up, customized your Chatbot, integrated it with WordPress, installed and activated the plugin, connected your Chatbot account, configured the settings, tested, and finally deployed your Chatbot. These steps have empowered you to add a Chatbot to your WordPress website. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your online presence. Thanks for watching.